You're not going to miss out on any of the flavour with this low-carb keto cheesecake. And the best thing is, there's no baking involved.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So firstly, let's make the base. To start with, into a bowl, I have some keto chocolate that I've grated. Now, I've made my own chocolate, and I will leave a link to that recipe in the video description. To that, I add almond flour and shredded coconut, and give it all a good mix around until well combined. Then, add in the melted butter and stir until you have a mixture that sticks together but isn't too wet. Place the crumb into a round cake tin lined with baking paper, press it down firmly, and place the base into the fridge while we work on the cheesecake filling. So into a stand mixer, add in the softened cream cheese and my preferred sugar substitute stevia, along with a few drops of vanilla extract. Mix on low until everything is combined. And a tip here is to have the cream cheese at room temperature and soft. If you put it in straight out of the fridge, the mixture will be lumpy. Next, add in the cacao powder, which isn't as sweet as cocoa powder, but it has a stronger chocolate flavour. Mix that well, and then add in the thickened cream. Beat that into the mix until everything becomes really creamy. While the stand mixer is beating, melt down some keto chocolate in the microwave until melted, and then add to the cheesecake mix. Mix until you have this chocolate mousse type texture. It should be light and fluffy. Now place the cheesecake mix onto the base we prepared before and smooth out. Tap the tin several times to remove any large air pockets and place into the fridge for at least 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight. Once removed, cut with a warm knife and serve. This is such an amazing low-carb version of everyone's favourite cheesecake. You won't believe you're eating something without all the sugar. Now make sure you get the recipe in the video description along with the nutritional info. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you soon for another recipe.